Welcome on board a 2002 Dufour 36 sailing yacht. This is a beautiful boat. If you've never been on a Dufour 36 before, you'll like this tour because this is a serious cruising boat that you can go blue water cruising with your family, friends, and really get some sea miles under your keel. We'll have a look around. This one is up for sale on Brokerage in Milford Haven, and she is fin keel 2002, extremely well looked after by her current owners. Rigging has been recently replaced and the engine has been serviced and looked after. She's sail drive, fin keel, and in beautiful condition. Let's have a look around the inside. Let's start by going into the saloon galley area. So here we've got a lovely big U-shaped seating area. Loads and loads of space to seat, and a bench seat here opposite the galley. Lovely big central table, focal point of the boat, with of course the all-important drinks cabinet inside, and a lovely plaque there, Dufour Yachts. So we have a fantastic saloon area, shelving above with storage, and moving around to the chart table. Nice generous sized chart table with seating area. This lifts up for your charts to be stored underneath. You have instrumentation here. Of course, every one of these will be slightly different, but you have instrumentation there, and switch panels here for all of your controls. Storage. So a really nice, well-placed chart table right next to the huge saloon seating. Opposite, we have a long galley. So different to a lot of boats where you'll see an L-shaped galley, this is massive. You have storage in here, wet weather gear, etc. Storage with a pull-out cutlery drawer. Further storage beneath the oven, further storage beneath the sink. I won't go into all the lockers. You've got a double sink here with what I would imagine is a saltwater tap and hot and cold running water. And then moving along, you've got the gas oven and hob. Storage above. This is sliding with semi-tinted doors. A top-loading fridge. And more storage. A lovely working area with shelf storage above as well. So, for a 36-foot boat, this galley is massive. You've got loads of space. After the galley, you have the heads. So we have a Jabsco marine toilet, self-draining floor, and into the bilge, and a standard heads with a shower that pulls up from the sink. Storage beneath. Nice size. Loads of room, books to hang things up. Nice port lights, so you've got some light coming in here. Plenty of storage. Everything you would expect from a nice sized heads in a 36-foot boat. Alongside, we have the companionway steps and access into the engine bay. And then aft, on the other side of the boat, we have the aft cabin. And my camera's not picking this up very well, but that is quite a nice entrance way through. That's quite a big doorway. And then we've got double storage here with shelf storage above. And we have some sails in here that are being stored because the boat is up for sale. But this is a good sized aft bed. This is bigger than a double. There's loads of space. It's very deep. It goes back a long way. And then we've got a bit of shelf storage here as well. That's a nice size aft cabin. And then moving forward, we have the forward cabin. This is the master suite. So we have a double berth with a seat alongside and oodles of storage again. This boat's not short of storage, which of course you need when you're long distance cruising. We have a hatch above us, pouring light into the cabin. And then over here, we have a double storage unit, shelves, and hanging storage. Shelf above, and a small hatch here. And just looking from the seat the other way, this is the double berth. Good size berth. Loads and loads of little nooks and crannies like this. All your things. So when you're out there sailing, spending a lot of time on board, you've got plenty of space to keep all your luggage possessions. The woodwork on this boat is lovely. She's built really nicely. Everywhere you look is this beautiful finished teak. Back out into the main saloon area. Okay, let's have a look on deck. Up on deck we have a very generous sized cockpit with teak laid seating, lazarette storage here and here, and a cockpit table that folds upwards and outwards, so you've got somewhere to eat from or put your drinks down when you're sat here in the cockpit. There's your access way into the cabin, and a really nice helm station where you can stand on the wheel and get really good visibility forwards. You have your Raymarine repeater instruments along here. There is a B&G chart plotter that usually sits here. Of course, everyone will be different. This is the way this one is set up. So moving onto the deck, we've got nice, generous, wide side decks. Rigging on this particular boat is almost brand new. It's just replaced earlier this year. Of course, on a boat of this age, that's something you really need to watch out for. Moving forwards, we have anchor locker here. With the electric anchor windlass chain. That's a really good size. The anchor is hung off the bow. For our next furling gear. That's the view looking aft. We've got good, easy, wide, manageable decks. It's a pleasure to walk around. You'll notice everything is run from the mast astern. It's all going into the cockpit. which makes sailing a dream. Covers on this boat are quite new as well, all been recently upgraded, replaced, all in really good condition. By Retsley Sour Makers, a local sour making company. Back to the cockpit. Just to pick on what I was just saying, this is all of the lines running aft. So there's your reef lines, spinnies, your winch there, and then exactly the same this side. Everything run aft, so you know where your main is, everything right back here. So that makes sailing a lot easier. You've got your main winch here as well. And just quickly off the back of the boat, stern, we have sugar scoop transom. Nice easy way down there. This is all quick release here, so you can release that and 2 steps down, and then you've got a bathing bladder there that folds out over the back of the boat as well. Here we have diesel fill points, 240 volt hookup and water fill points. And this hole here is for the emergency tiller. So in the event of loss of steerage, you have an emergency tiller pole that you can put through there and steer the boat to get you home. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this boat, she is for sale, so I'll put a link to the advert in the description below. And if you enjoyed this tour, if you'd like to see some more, please do like, comment and subscribe. I do try and upload tours of all of the Brokerage boats that we have available, so do subscribe to us, and then you'll be notified of all of the videos that we are uploading. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.